Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam.
Where are we?
We are in our living room.
Dun, 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 dun.
And I am so excited by this. I'm probably going to put in the title about my super rare bag. And it's here.
I got 911 on speed dial here.
It's from Fashion File. And I normally don't do these unboxings anymore. I mean, I usually do reveals. But I am so excited about this. I'm like, oh, everybody's going to get to see the whole thing. And hopefully I'm as excited after I open that as I am beforehand. Oh my goodness.
I think you need to watch a YouTube video on how to open a box.
No, I don't. It's just that these are so nicely packaged.
No.
That I am doing this. So, does anybody have any guesses of what I got? I am so excited. This, as far as I'm aware, it wasn't like it started out to be something rare, but it just seems like, and it's obviously pre-loved, that now trying to come across this item is not easy, nor is
Kind of
opening
like
it.
opening the box?
What'd you say?
Kind of like opening the box?
Right. Oh my goodness. Whew. I'm going to tear into this baby. Not really care about what the box turns out to be like.
Wow.
It's from Fashion File. Okay.
911, what's your emergency?
My wife got hurt opening her box.
I think she fell in. She's got a hellacious paper cut, and I don't know how she got it in that spot.
All right.
Whew!
So it's in here.
I'm wiped out just watching you.
I bet. And I'm going to
Fashion File.
take a look here. So
Worth
here's-
watching.
It's in a bag, in the Fashion File dust bag.
Is it a bag in a bag?
Yeah, it's a bag in a bag. Ooh. This is nice. I got this. It's the denim Speedy
Not to be confused with denim.
in the green. And look at the condition.
Wow,
It is-
she looks mint.
It is gorgeous. The little koala keys look like they've never been touched. I mean, the
Wait for it. Wait for it. That thing is sharp.
sharp, yeah. I mean, you can tell it's been used. There's some marks on it, but not bad. There's that. No feet on the bottom.
It's got a rumpled hinder a little bit.
Yep. I think that's just because of how it was sitting in there. And I really liked it because what'll happen with these typically is if you have them for a while, they usually fade. And this green is just green as can be. This is just so nice. So no feet on the bottom. But oh my gosh, so I have the pink one. But this one, I am so excited about this. It matches the couch kind of. I wanted the pink one and the green one, both of them. I fell in love with them. I don't know if I'll ever get the denim one, like the blue denim one, but
Like Levi's?
pink was hard enough to find, but to find green in this condition without fading, I mean, this is immaculate. I don't know if somebody redid these or what, but I mean, it's like somebody had this and never used it. The interior is beautiful. The zipper is beautiful. The vaquetas, I mean, it's definitely got it's not white, but it's beautiful. The, let's see now. The zipper, this is the zipper work. Yep. Pretty decent. It's all stuffed. And then the interior is mint as well. If you can see, it's got like a, I forgot, the Alcantara, is that what it is? Lining, and then it's got a slip pocket. It's got a slip pocket in the back here, then the slip pocket in the, or the zipper pocket in the front, and then the two little pouches right here. But she is mint. And this is like new. I mean, this is ridiculous how nice this is. This, just so excited. It came up on Fashion File, and Fashion File now lets you reserve right away. Before, you used to have to wait 5 days before you could reserve. You don't have to anymore. The only flaw I could see on this is right here on the inside of the handle. There is a little mark. Other than that, she is just, she's beautiful. I just never thought that I was so surprised and happy when I got the pink one, but I did not dream I'd also someday get the green. And I have her, and she is gorgeous. She is beautiful. No weird smells, and she's just gorgeous. Yeah, a little bit puckered out here. I mean, like, this is nothing, no wear on the edges. I mean, it's just crazy how nice this is. It's awesome. Just trying to look around, and yeah, she's my beautiful little bag. So, yeah, I'm just so happy about this and wanted to show you, and so I just thought I'd open it and show you. So now I have two of these. I have the pink and the green.
So what does something like that new used to go for? Any idea?
No, I don't know. I would, if having to guess, I would probably say about maybe $800, maybe even less. I mean, I'm trying to think of what year this one is from. I can't remember. But, you know, back in the day, everything was a lot less expensive. But oh, this is so good. This is just so good. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like the denim speedies? They're just so nice. Wonder why they put the strip of vachetta on the back. I never really understood that, but
I think it's kind of to match the other side with a zipper.
Well,
just
yeah, and
the
it
look.
holds the. It obviously would wear better than fabric with having a D-ring on it.
Sure.
But maybe I just answered my own question.
Maybe.
But yeah. What do you guys think? Isn't she pretty? I am just so excited to have this. So yeah, that's my newest addition to my collection. I'm just super excited to have her. And yeah, let me know what you think. I always really like when you leave comments down in the comment section below. Helps me get to know you guys all a little bit better, and I appreciate that. If you haven't already, follow me over on Instagram. You can find me there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. Over here, you find me on putting out videos generally every Wednesday and Saturday. There might be some in between, but generally those days. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm really trying to hit 2,000. That's my next big goal here, and I would really like to reach it. For all of you that are coming back to watch more, thank you. I appreciate it. And again, with the comments, I love interacting in the comments down below with everybody. So I appreciate that. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bubble wrap. Bane of my existence. My wife is always popping them.